If you're bored of doing the same old Afro beat, then here's something you can do to spice things up just a little bit. It does require your 6-stroke rolls to be on point and comfortable playing them as 16th notes, but we'll get into that. I'm doing it again. So cool! It's just 6-stroke rolls. I say just, it's right, left, left, right, right, left. Normally we play them as 6 tuplets, but today we're playing them as 16th notes. Play 2 6-strokes, accenting all the single strokes. End on the last right. Making sense? No? Good. Once you got that, really comfortable, move it onto the hi-hat. That last right will be a snare drum, rim shot if you want to. Conveniently enough, this snare drum falls exactly where it would if you were playing an Afro beat. Even more conveniently, all the bass drums fall on the first right of each 6-stroke. Isn't it good? Yes, it is good. And yes, keep those accents on the left, it just sounds cool. And just to add a little extra something, a little extra spice, on that next left that happens, hit an open hi-hat, because we can. Really cool. Hope you enjoy. Big love.